If your skin always feels dry, tight, irritated, or like no moisturizer is ever enough, this might be the one skincare product that completely changes your routine. Laneige's Cream Skin Refiner is one of the most iconic K-Beauty toner moisturizer hybrids, and honestly, it still lives up to the hype. The newest Cerapeptide version keeps the same milky, lightweight texture people love, but upgrades the formula with ceramides and peptides to make it even better for barrier repair and long-lasting hydration. According to Laneige, it delivers an immediate plus 836% hydration boost and helps skin stay moisturized for up to 120 hours, which explains why dry skin users are obsessed with it. What makes this product special is that it feels like a liquid cream. It pours like toner, spreads like essence, and leaves the skin with the soft, cushiony finish of a lightweight moisturizer. The texture is milky, silky, and absorbs surprisingly fast without feeling sticky. Because of that, it works beautifully in layering routines, especially if your skin is dehydrated or compromised from retinol, exfoliating acids, or harsh weather. Why people love it so much? Gives an instant plump glass skin glow, deep hydration without heavy cream texture, helps strengthen the skin barrier, reduces tightness and flaky dry patches, makes skin look smoother and more radiant, can replace toner plus essence in one step, amazing for skin flooding and multi-layer hydration methods. One of the biggest reasons this product keeps going viral is how versatile it is. On dry and sensitive skin, 1 or 2 layers already make the face feel softer and calmer. On combination skin, people often apply 2 to 3 layers instead of moisturizer, and many reviews say it makes the skin look juicy without the greasy finish of richer creams. A lot of Reddit users even say the newer formula feels lighter and easier to layer than the original version. Who I would recommend it for? This is perfect for dry skin, sensitive skin, dehydrated skin, damaged skin barrier, people using retinol, minimal skincare lovers, anyone who wants hydrated Korean glass skin. My honest opinion, this is one of the best products for making the skin look healthy, bouncy, and expensive on camera. It gives that fresh, hydrated glow beauty creators love, especially in close-up skincare videos. Now, let's talk about how to use it, what results to expect, the pros and cons, and whether it's really worth the hype. How to use it for the best results. The best way to use cream skin is right after cleansing, when your skin is still slightly damp. Pour a few drops into your hands and gently press it into the skin instead of using a cotton pad. This helps you keep all the product on your face and gives that instantly plump, juicy finish. Laneige specifically positions it as a toner plus moisturizer hybrid, so it can work as your hydration step and, for some people, even replace moisturizer. For extra dehydrated skin, the layering method is where this product really shines. 1 layer, light daily hydration. 2 layers, bouncy glow and soft skin. 3+ layers, intense glass skin effect. This technique is amazing before makeup because it helps foundation sit smoother and prevents dry patches from showing. The results you'll notice. The first thing most people notice is how quickly the skin looks less dull and more alive. It gives an immediate healthy sheen without looking oily. According to Laneige's own testing, it provides an instant plus 836% hydration boost and helps retain moisture for up to 120 hours, which is why it's so loved by dry skin users. After using it consistently for a few weeks, the skin usually starts to feel softer, more elastic, less tight after cleansing, smoother around flaky areas, more resilient if your barrier is compromised. This is especially noticeable if you use retinol, exfoliating acids, or live in cold weather. Pros: deep hydration with a lightweight, milky texture, makes skin look instantly radiant on camera, excellent for damaged skin barrier, great under makeup, can simplify your routine, layers beautifully without pilling, perfect for dry and sensitive skin. Cons. To keep the review honest, it's not perfect for everyone. Oily skin may find multiple layers too rich. In humid weather, it can feel like enough on its own, but in winter, you may still need cream. If your skin dislikes richer, milky toners, it may feel slightly heavy. Some people preferred the older formula because it felt more nourishing, while others love the new version because it's lighter and less greasy. Final verdict. My honest creator-style verdict, this is one of the best products for making skin look expensive, healthy, and naturally glowy on video. It gives that my skin is just naturally perfect finish that performs beautifully in close-up skincare shots, GRWM videos, makeup prep routines, glass skin transformations, dry skin before-after content.